Hey guys, my name is Noelle and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you guys how to make these adorable dangly earrings out of polymer clay. And if you've never worked with polymer clay before, don't worry, in this video I'll walk you through all the steps. I think these earrings are really cute. I've gotten a lot of compliments on them already and I think they just complete the look, you know? I would really appreciate it if you guys hit that like button and subscribe button. This is my very first video on this channel and I'm planning on making craft videos every week. Hope you guys enjoy and let's get into it. The materials you'll need for this project are polymer clay, jewelry findings, these little nail art deco pieces, pliers, anything to roll out clay with, and an X-Acto knife. I'll link all these products in the description below. The first thing you want to do is roll out your clay and knead it so it becomes malleable and soft. Polymer clay usually comes kind of hard, so you just want to roll it between your hands until it's easy to work with. For one pair of earrings, I'm using about a medium-sized ball of clay, and I'm just dividing into two pieces, a larger piece and a smaller piece. First, I'm going to start with a smaller piece. You're just going to take it and divide it into two equal halves, and roll these two pieces into balls. Using your fingers, you're just going to flatten these pieces out. I would say to about 1/4 of an inch thick. You don't want it too thick because you're going to put jump rings through these pieces later on. I'm also going in with this pen that I used as a rolling pin to flatten the piece and get rid of any bumps and imperfections. Going back to the larger piece, you're just going to take it and roll it into a perfect ball. Get it as circular as you can because now we're going to flatten it out just like the other pieces. Something to keep in mind when you're rolling out your clay, you want to constantly move it around and flip it over. You want the clay to have an even thickness all throughout, so this is to prevent any parts being too thin or too thick. I'm also using my fingers to make sure the surface is super smooth and free of any bumps. Using my X-Acto knife, I'm finding the halfway point of the large circle we made and scoring a line down the middle. You don't necessarily have to do this, it just provides a good guideline for me before I make the actual cut. Here I'm cutting the large circle in half to make two semicircles. I rarely get the semicircles perfect the first time, you know, the cut can be kind of wonky, so you can go back in with your X-Acto knife and clean up the edges if you like. So now we've finished shaping all the pieces we need for these earrings, now let's move on to decorating them. I found these adorable celestial deco pieces on Etsy. You can also find them on Amazon. They're usually used for nail art, but you can obviously use them for other things. This is my favorite part. I'm simply just picking up the pieces with my tweezers and placing them wherever on the clay. There's no right way to do this. In fact, I think the earrings look better if you place the pieces randomly and kind of sporadically. It makes each earring look unique. Make sure after placing the pieces, you press them down into the clay so they don't go anywhere after it's baked. Once you're satisfied, take a toothpick or a push pin and make holes in your clay for where the jump rings will go. For these earrings, I'm making holes on the top of the semicircles and both the bottom and the top of the tiny circles. Make sure you push your toothpick all the way through to the back so the jump ring can go through easily. You can bake your clay on parchment paper or aluminum foil. I prefer parchment paper. I set my oven to 275 degrees Fahrenheit and bake my clay for 15 minutes. Polymer clay baking times and temperatures vary, so make sure you check online for your specific instructions. And it's time for a mac and cheese break. Guys, this is my favorite thing right now. It's cauliflower mac and cheese by Amy's. So delicious. For these earrings, you will need large, medium, and small jump rings as well as the actual earring. A tip on how to properly use jump rings: use your pliers to pull the jump ring apart, front and back, not side to side. This is to make sure it keeps the circular shape. And that's it, guys. I really hope this video was helpful for you guys and that you make your own earrings at home. Oh, and one more thing, I do have a shop on Instagram. The Instagram handle is @shop.noelity. I hand make and sell a bunch of cool jewelry, so don't forget to check it out. And the really cool part about it is that I take a portion of my profits and donate it to a new cause every month. For the month of August, I'm donating 20% of my profits to the Yemen crisis. If you don't know what it's about and you'd like to read more about it, I'll leave some resources in the description below. That's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!